What's up, guys? This is Sean again with another Stage of It Media video. Thank you guys for showing up. This video is going to be basically like an update to the channel, update to kind of what I have, the parts that have been coming in. Excuse the beard because you guys are going through it as much as everybody else is going through it. So yeah, so this video is going to be a relatively short video. I kind of want to show you guys what's going on, the parts that I've been getting. Nothing has stopped. I've been still getting a massive amounts of parts to come in that I'm going to be making videos on. So I'm going to kind of like preview what I have. Some of the stuff I kind of want to keep a surprise kind of thing. So I'm not going to like show. You're going to see parts. I may not introduce them like fully open box, but I'm going to show you a couple of things that I got. And we'll go from there. Let's go. All right, so let's see. Again, I got a couple different things come in. I'm gonna just kind of lightly show. I bought some 30 mil spacers. These are going in the back because right now I have 25 in the back, 20 in the front millimeter spacers. So I kind of want a little bit more poke out in the back. So I'm gonna be switching out the 25 that's in the back and put those in the front, and pop the 30s in the back to kind of give a little bit more poke out to the car, to the G. I got some fabric paint. I'm gonna be doing some interior stuff. I'm not gonna, this is one of those things I say I wasn't gonna really like go too crazy and really like show what I'm gonna do, but just know I'm painting something fabric wise in the car. I went and got both Moog front and rear wheel hub assemblies. Now the crazy part about this, I've learned my lesson when it comes to like Moog and the wheel hub stuff, because I've been going on like eBay or Amazon and buying like these off-brand joints. Like I've been having so much. I've literally changed, just last year alone, I think I changed my wheel hubs front and back like 3 times. So I'm done with that. I'm gonna go. I went, got the big boy stuff. This is the stuff that I shouldn't have to worry for a good little minute. So Moog's right there. I went and got my gauge pod. So yeah, I'm putting I should have probably kept that secret, just kind of left it there, but nah, I'm gonna be putting gauges in the car. Video coming on that soon. Another thing, actually let me go ahead and show it to you now. I went and got in contact with the guys over at Bellworks. I don't know if, let me see if I can open this up. So this is their their differential brace. Supposed to help with kind of like keeping the stiffness with the subframe and the differential, so it's not a lot of give to it. So it's supposed to keep it nice and secure. So video coming out on that right there. So definitely got the Bellworks. I think the part alone cost like about $100. Everything all together, I think it came up to like 129, 126, something like that. So yeah, video coming up on that. Everybody needs one of these. I got the fire extinguisher, so I'm going to be installing that in the car too. May or may not make a video on it, I'm not too sure. I may, because I don't see a lot of people making fire extinguisher installs on G35s, and I think everybody who does their stuff with their cars, whether it's spirited driving or just driving in general, need one of these, because you don't want to lose your car to some random fire. I bought camshaft sensors, replacing those. I had got a code. My car threw a code a couple months back before all this whole crazy stuff happened, you know, that we're going through right now, and I erased the code, but I knew it was the camshaft sensor. So it hasn't thrown it, but at the same time I haven't really been driving my car like that, so I just preemptively went, got these and said screw it, and just bought them. Solenoids. This piece, I got both solenoids on this, so definitely going to be installing these in the car. This is one of those parts, guys, that a lot of people don't really care about or really even mess with to change. But solenoids for the front of the car, so that's going to be there. I'm going to probably have a video on that. I got actually 2 other parts in my car that are just sitting in the car that I'm going to be installing too. My double din radio, and I have that out here because I went ahead, guys, and said screw it. I know in like a couple videos before I was like, yo, I would never spend money on this Metra system, the Metra kit. Yeah, I went ahead and did it. Crutchfield had it for like $170, $180. It was like $180. So yeah, I said screw it. I got it in silver. And yeah, that's the full double din kit right there. So I'm gonna be having, actually that might be my next video, because I'm like really eager to get this kit in the car. But man, I saw what you have to do to get that stuff in there, and it looks crazy. So I may kind of elicit some help to get that kind of taken care of. But yeah, just know I got the double din kit, I got the radio, everything's set and ready for that. And these are the connectors, the antenna adapter, and the other wires that I have to kind of put together with the radio just to get it to work with my system, the whole 9 yards. What else we got? Oh yeah, my Vicrez. Now I'm not gonna explain what this is, I'm just gonna make a video on it. I do have a side splitter coming in that's gonna go with this, so I don't want to kind of put it out there just yet. But just know that's gonna be a really cool install. Another thing I want to kind of explain to you guys, I have merch. Like I told you in my last video, merch is coming. So I have lanyards that are going to be going out. I'm going to probably making a big cartel, because I'm working on my actual physical website that you can go on to. But for right now, just to get the product out there, I'm going to make a big cartel page. And yeah, so I got lanyards right there. These are the wristbands that I'm going to be selling. I don't want to get into too much pricing now on here, because I'll let you guys, when it's all done, I'll notify you guys when it's available on the website, and you guys can go pick it up. What I just received today, which I'm actually really excited for, are jet tags. We got jet tags, y'all boys. So let me see if I can kind of pop one of these open. So yeah, I literally, DHL just came through today, literally, and dropped these off. And let me kind of like do this all with one hand. All right, so yeah, here we go. You got State Driven Media jet tags. Flip it over. Now, I'm gonna make a video on this, what this meaning is, why it says drive. It has drive here, and in kanji, it has drive in kanji. So it's a reason why I did that. It's a little more personal. That's gonna be a real big emotional video for me, because that way you guys can really know the purpose of me even making State Driven Media, why I'm doing this, why my car means the most to me, and the whole 9 yards. You guys are gonna see exactly what this means in that video, and I'm preparing it. I'm kind of like sketching it up to figure out how I'm gonna make it look. But yeah, these are gonna go up on the Big Cartel page as well. Still kind of figuring out pricing, but I mean, I'm gonna probably look around and see what else everybody else is selling theirs for, because I don't want to go too high, you know, I don't want to go too low at the same time, because I want to put whatever gets bought is gonna go right back into the channel for more content for you guys. So with that being said, I do have a lot more other stuff, but I mean, there's stuff in my car right now, and I bought a bunch of stuff from Harbor Freight for the install of the double din kit. So this is all the stuff that I got from Harbor Freight. Yeah, a bunch of wire cutters, wire kits, everything. So yeah, again, there's more parts coming in. Literally every week I'm getting a part, something's coming in. So yeah. With that being said, I hope you guys, you know, see kind of what I've got going on. Again, I haven't been really putting out any videos because I'm waiting for all these parts to come in, and I'm finding like some really good time to kind of do all this stuff. This stuff is going to take some time to kind of put together, especially with what's going on now with everybody staying at home and really can't go anywhere. It's kind of hard finding the time to really just go out there and do stuff. But I'm going to do as much as I can to try to get a lot of this stuff on, man. And I'll try to bring you guys some content. Okay, so with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the update. Stay safe. Be good. 1.